Hi everybody, this is George with Naija Building Estimator. Thanks for joining again. Today we're going to look at the section of the Naija Building Estimator application that helps you put together a summary report for building a fence. So as you probably saw, if you saw the other three videos for bungalows, duplex, and flat, fences tends to be a smaller project, but nevertheless very important for you and your budget, right, in your family. So the idea is that you can definitely use this application to get an estimate before you even start your project. Try to understand what you can do, how much money you may need, and also it helps you bargaining with contractors once you're ready to start your construction project. So as you saw in the other sections, it's the same first couple questions there. You start with the land type and the land size, foundation depth, and also the height of the fence. And in any of these, you can change these values, right? And I just pick 8, but you can change this as you wish. Also, in some areas, it allows you to change to a different value that is not present on the typical list. So in this case, I'm going to pick 5, for instance, and it will do it as well. The labor is the next section, and that's where you will be specifying the layering costs. In this case, the default is 40 Naira. We're going to go with that. And the plastering cost, which is 1,500 Naira per partition of 12 feet. So we'll stay with that. And finally, the materials, blocks and cement, we'll keep the default values. But as I said before, in most of this, you can change that as needed for your project. I'm going to go ahead and calculate, and this application is super fast. It will automatically give you the report that you need. It will do the cost and its estimations and the summary reports. It will give you total cost of blocks, cement, bags of cement, and it will have a detailed summary of what you need to know if you want to do that kind of project. Very specific, very detailed, and the beauty of this application is you can share it. You can either send it to yourself, email it to yourself, text it to somebody else, save it as PDF, and then submit it, print it out, and use this as your bargaining tool when you're talking to contractors. So this is it for fencing, and next one.